Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Oh, we have the cutest little dog. Let's pull on the string and see what the dog brought us. Oh, the dog brought us a ball. A ball. Good dog. You brought us a ball. A ball. A ball. Thanks, dog. What a cute little rainbow ball. I like to play ball. Ball. Let's pull on the string. What did you bring us, puppy? The puppy brought us a barn. A barn. Good boy. Thank you for bringing us a barn. A barn. You brought us a barn. It is a barn. 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 I see the barn. I can see the barn. 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 Let's pull on the string. What did the puppy bring us? It's a sign with a bike on it. A bike. A bike. The puppy brought us a bike. A bike. It's a bike. I can see the bike. Can you see the bike? Bike. Thank you, puppy. Bike. Bike. It's a bike. Let's pull on the string. What did you bring us, puppy? It's good to see you back. What is this? It's a balloon. A hot air balloon. A balloon. How fun is this little balloon? Balloon. Let's pull on the string. Oh, what did you bring us, puppy? You brought us a bear. A bear. What a sweet little teddy bear. Bear. The bear looks so soft. Bear. A balloon. A bike. A barn. A ball. Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack.